Welcome to Delta. I'm Kelly Brodbeck, Product Manager for Teledyne FLIR's commercial drone, SIRAS. Today I'd like to talk about calibrating the gimbal. Sometimes if you're flying and you notice when you're zoomed up on a subject, you get a little bit of drift with the image. That's generally a sign that the gimbal is out of calibration, and this just happens with normal flight and use of the SIRAS drone. Go to the main control screen, and in the upper right corner, there's a 3-dot icon. Press that, and you'll see a number of other menus, including Safety and About, which tells you about the firmware that you're running, but also the Control menu. Hit Control and scroll down until you see Gimbal Calibration. Hit the gimbal calibration with the drone on, and it will do it all itself. It takes about a minute, and you'll be ready to fly again. If you need more information about SIRAS, go to our website, FLIR.com/SIRAS. We have lots of FAQs like this one. You'll learn a lot there. Thank you so much for watching.